Hey everybody, good evening. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So everybody knows that since I sold Big Blue, which I will tag that video in the end of this one, that I've been very sad about not having a truck anymore. But I also wanted to go back to having a K5 Blazer. I had one many years ago and absolutely loved it. It wasn't in the best of shape, but it got me around everywhere I needed to go for over 8 years. So I've been on the hunt ever since I sold Big Blue for another perfect Blazer that would suit my needs, and I definitely found one. This truck is such a blessing, and I'm so glad that I can call it mine now. So it will be here soon. William went to go get it. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for pictures and videos of the new truck that's coming. Thanks for watching. Take care.